we supply and install the EV chargers for the electric cars. Electric is the way forwards. You're going to see over the next few years more and more of them getting installed. People didn't really know too much about it, but obviously now we're able to bring more information on it. Not knowing if they can have one installed, say if they lived in a flat or a house or they didn't have a driveway, say, but the more and more people find out about it, the more bit of word of mouth of them hearing more, people are starting to get it. Now they have more of an understanding that they're wanting one. Now they know people that have got it already installed. You'll find companies here like Aquapatlum installing the easy charge points at their location of their office. Just means for less inconvenience for having to go out and make sure they've got it elsewhere. Also the running costs will be cheaper having it installed nice and local, meaning they could do it whilst they're at work, and therefore when they're finished the day, they'll be able to go home and have a full charge car.